Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the iPhone and opening Contacts. This puts you where changes are saved. Once done, locate the contact and tap Edit. This begins the change. If you need a new picture, open Camera or choose from Photos. Keeping the image square makes cropping easier. Make sure iCloud Sync is active so edits propagate, because otherwise changes stay local. Now tap Add Photo or the existing circle image to proceed. This is the first actionable step you need. You now pick or take the photo. Selecting Choose Photo opens your library, while Take Photo uses the camera. Once the image appears, use pinch to zoom and drag gestures to fill the circular frame precisely, because good positioning ensures the face is visible in calls and messages. Rotate only if necessary. Subtle adjustments make the avatar look professional. When satisfied, tap Choose or Done to confirm the crop. Make sure the thumbnail shows correctly. This saves the edited. You finish by tapping Done until the edit screen closes, because 2 confirmations ensure the change is saved. Then check the contact in Phone or Messages to confirm the picture displays during calls and texts. If the image doesn't appear, make sure Contacts Sync is enabled for the account used. Go to Settings, Accounts, then toggle Contacts off and on to force a resync. If that fails, restart the iPhone. A quick reboot often resolves caching issues and restores the photo display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.